Yeah, good day guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa and you're welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube video the easiest way. Using the software or tool which I shall be introducing to you in this video is quite okay for someone who wants to start a YouTube channel from scratch, and maybe the person let me say you don't have a camera, you don't have a screen recording tool just as the one I'm using in this video, but you want to start making YouTube videos, or maybe you already start a YouTube channel and you lack content ideas, and using the software which you shall be looking at in this video is quite okay for you because you'll be exposed to wide range of content ideas which you shall use. And actually, it actually comes with predefined templates which you can easily use, edit your videos, input your text, and your videos is set to go. And we shall be creating a video right in this video that you are watching, and I'll show you the steps by step how you can actually make a video. And if you're visiting this channel for the first time, like I said from the start, Chibuzo is my name and it's a technology related channel, so you can simply decide to be part of the family by hitting the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release another tutorial video just like this. We actually dish out tutorials video periodically which are actually beneficial to you, and they're all technology related, so you can simply be part of the channel by doing what I just said. So having done that, I wish I'll be going straight down to business, which is how to make a YouTube video. You can call it a faceless YouTube video, but actually there are videos that are quite catchy and you start making money from your YouTube channel. So one thing you should do, like I've talked much about the software which is InVideo, this online tool. I've talked about InVideo in some of my previous videos, and I'm still talking about InVideo, and that's the tool we shall be using in this video in creating our video from the scratch. I'll actually be creating a video you should see, and I'll upload this video in my channel. And if you should go through most of my YouTube shorts, you will notice that I actually use this tool in creating most of my videos. So now let me go. This is my plan. I've actually logged into my platform. So in case you don't know what InVideo is, in the description of this video I'll be laying links actually whereby you can use to register for free, or you can actually still decide to upgrade to a premium plan. Why I always advise anybody to go with the premium plan is because it actually comes with lots of features. You're exposed to lots of predefined templates, premium videos, and premium text which you can use. And as you can see, let me go to my account, show you my subscription plan. I'll actually show you that I'm actually running on premium. As you can see, this is my name, Chibuzo Agowa, to show you that I'm actually using my account, and this is my plan, premium lifetime. So now let us go back to the start. Once you've actually followed the link, you created an InVideo account. This is what you see once you log onto it. These are actually lots of my projects that I've created, like I told you, which you can easily see in this YouTube channel and some other YouTube channels of mine. So now the first thing you have to do once you've logged in, you actually go to create new templates. You can follow through here. You actually go to this place that said create new video and click on templates. We're actually creating a new video from the scratch, like I said. So it will now open up lots of predefined templates like I told you earlier on, which you can easily choose from. As you can see, it has loaded. Kindly bear with me, the internet, this is actually night here and the internet's a little bit slow. So now once you've seen there, I actually want to create a YouTube short, and you all know that YouTube shorts are actually portrait video. So now in this corner you see lots of navigation. Now like you see aspect ratio, I'm choosing portrait because I want to create a YouTube short. So I'll click on portrait. So all the predefined templates that has portrait to actually upload. As you can see, it has refreshed to this. So now let me search for a particular template I would like to create. And like I told you, if you want to like create your videos, always make sure that the theme or the topic of the templates always relates to your channel. For like I told you, this is a technology related channel, so I'm actually searching for anything that is similar to what I've been uploading in this video. You see cosmetics, see fitness. I'm not actually looking for that. There's a particular template I'm looking for. New video, time up, all the stuffs. There's a particular template I'm actually looking for, which I want to use in creating a YouTube related video. Okay, I've come across the template. So this is the template I'm talking about. 3 ways to make money on YouTube. I actually switch out to make money. Yes, it's part of what we also do in this channel. So now once you've seen the template that you want to choose, all you have to do is to click on the template. That's loaded. Let me load this volume for a bit. Okay, let it play. So this is the template that I want to use. Let me pause this. So once you actually you scroll through all the templates and you've seen the one that you want to make use of, select just like I did. That's the first step, and it will show you to this place. Now you now see use templates, just this blue key button that said use template. So I'll click on use templates. So now take me to a page whereby I can actually edit it to my taste. Yes, I'm actually making a video like I told you, the easiest way. The internet, or my internet, is a little bit slow like I told you earlier on, so you can bear with me. Still loading. It's actually loading. So once it loads, try and be creating your account. You can pause this video, go and create your account once this is loading. So we'll kickstart. I will continue once it loads. I don't see. Let me see if I can pause this video. Okay, it is coming up. And bear with me. The internet is a little bit slow. It's still loading actually. So like I said, I always advise you guys to go for the premium plan because it actually gives you lots of benefits. Like I have my pre-designed logo. My logo actually designed in all my videos. It always appear in all my videos I create on InVideo. So this is what it will look like. It's actually loading. This is the new template. If you're familiar with the old InVideo, like in my last video that I did here talking about InVideo, the template that actually showed was actually the old template. So this is what InVideo looks right now. So I want to go through the start. I want to go straight to start. I'll do lots of edits and also voiceover. Okay. Pardon me. Okay, play. We have 3 ways to make money on YouTube. I would like to add a voiceover. Let me show you how I do it. So now let me go to the start. 3 ways. The title of this video I want to create is 3 ways to make money on YouTube. So it's always okay to introduce your to actually I want to actually put a voiceover, and this time around I'm using the automated text to speech. As you can see, this icon that has a mic, you click on it, add a voiceover. Once you tap on add a voiceover, it will now show you lots of choice to make from automated text to speech. This one I'm actually want to use. You can also import from your uploads. Actually, if you've done a voiceover, you can actually just upload them. You can upload a VR, a voiceover file. You can record voiceover, but this time around I prefer to use automated text to speech. So now it will now or actually load lots of text to speech. I'm familiar with one. Let's see, you have various voiceovers. I don't actually use Sally. I'm used to Matthew, this very one. Let's listen to Matthew.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Okay, I prefer using Matthew, so I select Matthew. That's the one I normally use in most of my videos. So the intro says 3 ways to make money on YouTube. So now I will type 3 ways to make. I'm actually using automated text to speak. 3 ways to make money on YouTube. That's the first intro. So now let's play and let's listen to how Matthew sounds. Okay, it is loaded. So now let's listen.
3 ways to make money on YouTube.
I think I'm cool with this. So now, once you've generated the text to voice, actually the text to speech, and this is how Matthew sounds, I'll actually choose add, and automatically it will be added to this video. So now let's play the video once again.
3 ways to make money on YouTube.
Okay, get it. So now let's number 1, end with ads. Okay. So now I want to like add another voiceover. Let's see, I'm actually talking about 3 ways to make money on YouTube. So the first ways it's stated in the video is number 1, end with ads. So now the same step that we use, you click on this mic, then it will show you the various options. I'm still using automated text to speech, so I'll click on automated text to speech. So now let's input our text. Say number 1 and with ads. So now let's let's generate the voiceover. So now let's listen to how it sounds. If it's okay.
Number 1. Earn with ads.
Okay, it's okay for me. So now I'll input it also in the video and automatically it has added. So let's listen to it once again.
Number 1. Earn with ads.
Okay, it's okay for me. So now we'll now choose another option and with ads. So now we'll now go and listen to the next one. Number 2, let's start with, let's go back. I actually missed it. I'm looking somewhere else. So number 2 starts with mesh. Okay, so now let's shift it a bit. Number 2, it will come here and it has ends here. Then number 2 starts with mesh. So you follow the same process. Click on voice, then automated text to speech. Then we say number 2 starts with mesh. Now let's generate. Okay, generated. Now let's listen to how it sounds.
Number 2. Start with merch.
Okay, it's okay for me, so I'll add. And it's there. So now let's listen.
Number 2. Start with merch.
And the third one, number 3, look for sponsors. So now pause the video. Let's scroll back. Let me drag this a little back to where number 3 starts. So number 3, look for sponsors. Okay, let's start it here. So now we follow the same. Click on the mic, automated text to speech. Then you say number 3. Number 3, look for sponsors. Look for sponsors. Am I getting it right? Okay, yeah. Look for sponsors. Then let's generate. Now let's listen to how it sounds.
Number 3. Look for sponsors.
Okay, it's okay by me. So now I'll add it. I've added it. So now let's play and see.
Number 3. Look for sponsors.
Okay, now wrapping it up, stay subscribe to this channel for more tips. So I'll scroll down, let's see, I want to like get a perfect position. Subscribe. Okay, yeah, subscribe to a YouTube channel for more tips. So now still use the same method, automated text to speech. Then I'll say subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips. That's okay. Now let's generate and see how it sounds. Let's see.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips.
Okay, that's okay by me, so I'll add it. And as you can see, it's actually 21 seconds video. It's 12 seconds. So now let's see how it sounds.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips.
So now perfect. This is okay for me now. So all I have to do, like you can see, there are various timestamps. This green one is actually the sound for the soundtrack. So I want to actually edit this soundtrack because it looks a little bit loud. It looks a little bit louder than actually the voiceover for me. So all you have to do is to click on the green portion that has the soundtrack, then you right click. You can actually trim, you can actually mute, you can actually Then check the volume, reduce the volume. What you want to do, you can delete, you can duplicate whatsoever, but actually I want to reduce the volume, so I'll click on volume. Oh, the internet's a little bit slow. Now let's try click again and see if it works. I'll click on volume. Okay, it's loading now. So now the volume is a little bit high, so this is the first one. Let me reduce the volume to somewhere here, as you can see. Now let's play and see how it sounds.
3 ways to make money on YouTube.
Yes, the voiceover is now actually louder than the
Number 1.
soundtrack.
Earn with ads.
I think I will still.
Number 2. Start with merch. Number 3. Look for sponsors.
I'll have
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips.
I'll have to edit this a little bit. I saw something, the voiceover actually coming up before the. Now let me shift this a little bit to here. Now let's see, play all over again. Start from the beginning.
3 ways to make money on YouTube.
Okay, this is perfect. Number
1. Earn with ads.
Let me shift this a little bit.
With ads. Number 2. Start with merch.
Okay, this is okay.
Number 3. Look for sponsors.
Okay, this is okay.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips.
Now let's play it all over again to see if it is perfect. The last
3 ways
time.
to make money on YouTube.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Earn with ads.
Okay.
Number 2. Start with merch.
Okay.
Number 3. Look for sponsors.
Okay, this is perfect.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips.
But I want to increase the soundtrack a little bit, so I'll click on it, then I'll right click, then I'll go straight to volume. So I want to increase it to somewhere here, and let me hear the sound once again.
3 ways to make money on YouTube.
Okay.
Number 1. Earn with ads.
I think this is perfect.
Start with
the
merch.
soundtrack and the voiceover is actually okay. So now once I'm done, let me pause this. I actually created a perfect video, and as you can see, I'm on premium plan, and this is my logo that is actually on the video. So once I'm done, all I have to do is to click on export. You see export at the top right corner. I'll click on export. I'm actually exporting this video. So as you can see, since I'm premium plan, I actually have 2 iStock media use, and I am free. I'm actually opportunity to use it because I'm on the premium plan. So I'll click on export. It will now take you to this page where the videos will actually do the finalize the processing before you can actually download to your computer. You can see how easy it is for you to actually make a video for free. The simplest way, like I told you, if you're on the free plan, you can actually still use this and it will work perfect for you. But if you still choose to upgrade to premium, it is still left for you. The final processing is on. Final processing is on. It's actually taking 5%. So once the processing is on, I would like to pause this video because you actually see this video. Once you subscribe to this channel, you actually see the video. Yes, you can actually subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so that again it's fine whenever I actually maybe upload this video. You see this video in my YouTube short section. I'll upload it. The processing might take a little bit of time because of my internet, so I don't want to bore you, keep you waiting right here. So but you've seen the steps on how to make a video from the scratch. You've seen how we made a video. Still come back and go to my YouTube short section. You actually see this video that we just created. So with that, we've actually come to the end of this video. If you find this video interesting enough, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you are still confused in this section, go to the comment section, ask your question, then I'll attend to you speedily. And still yet, go to the description of this video, open an InVideo account if you want to upgrade to premium. The coupon, you actually see a link that gives you access to a 25% discount using my actually affiliate link right in the description of this video. So go ahead, create an InVideo account and start making your videos from scratch, a faceless YouTube channel. Then you start making money in no distant time. So we've come to the end of this video. Chibuzo Agua is my name, and Blogging for Tech is the name of this channel. So we'll actually see in my next video once you've done all what I asked you to do. So bye bye for now.